Ever since the government abolished the special status of Jammu and Kashmir in August 2019, there have been continuously the voices of protests against this decision of the central government from Kashmir. But the central government didn't pay attention to these protests. But now the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has decided that he is ready to engage with the Kashmiri leaders on this issue. That's why editorial says hope and promise. So the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has decided that he is ready to engage with the Kashmiri leaders. So you can say that there is a hope. You can see in this decision or in this announcement, you can see that there may be some promise. The centers move to engage with. Engage with means if you are ready to involve in something, means you are ready to engage in something. So the centers move to engage with the political leadership in Kashmir is welcome. So editorial says this decision is welcome. This decision is a good decision. Signaling means hinting. Revival means to give a new birth to something, to bring back something to life again. So signaling a revival of the political process in Jammu and Kashmir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has decided to meet 14 party leaders from the Union Territory on June 24. So this meeting will be held on 24 June. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi had said that we want to revive the political process in Jammu and Kashmir, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi also emphasized that we are ready to meet the leaders of 14 party from the Union Territory. Here Union Territory means Jammu and Kashmir. Mr. Modi's outreach. Outreach means to reach further. When you want to build relationship, the process of building relationship. So Mr. Modi's outreach is taking place. Take place means to happen. Nearly 2 years after the state of Jammu and Kashmir was stripped off. What is the meaning of stripe off? Stripe off means if you have something and I take that something from you, then it means I have stripped you of that thing. So stripped off means to take away something from someone. So editorial says that it is nearly 2 years. It is nearly 2 years that you can say that before 2 years this decision was taken by the central government to cancel or to abolish the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. This decision was taken August 2019. So Mr. Modi is now trying again to outreach the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir. Is taking place nearly 2 years after the state of Jammu and Kashmir was stripped of its special constitutional status. So till August 2019, Jammu Kashmir was enjoying a special constitutional status. But at that time, August 2019, that special constitutional status of Jammu and Kashmir was taken and dismembered. And in August 2019, the Jammu and Kashmir was divided into 2 union territories through an unprecedented means something that has never happened before. If I say that this is unprecedented action, it means this action has never happened before. Unprecedented exercise means action of the center's power. So the central government used its power and performed an action, and in that action, and you can say that that action was unprecedented. So you can say that such type of action was never taken before, and taking that action, the central government divided the Jammu and Kashmir into 2 union territories. And now after 2 years again the central government wants to engage with the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir. This shows a desirable means you want something. Flexibility means if you are not strict, then I will call you, you are a flexible person. Okay, flexibility in his, when you are liberal, है ना, it means you are flexible in his approach towards resolve means to solve something, the Kashmir issue. This demonstrates that the fact the central government is ready to talk with the leaders of the Jammu and Kashmir shows that the approach of the central government is, you can say that, relatively flexible towards Kashmir issue. Considering, when you consider something means when you take into account something, है ना, considering means to take into account, considering the absence of an agenda. Editorial says that okay, this meeting will be conducted on 24 June, but still there has no agenda been decided for this meeting, है ना. What will be the agenda of this meeting, है ना, what will be the, you can say that, core topic of this meeting. So considering the absence of an agenda for the meeting and the prevailing means existing, prevailing sense of betrayal. What is the sense of betrayal? If I deceive you, then you will have the sense of betrayal, that oh my god, yaar, he has deceived me. So this is betrayal, an act of deceit among Kashmiris. So editorial says that the meeting will be held on June 24, but still there has no agenda been decided for the meeting, and Kashmiris still feel a sense of betrayal. So editorial says that considering these situation, any hope of a quick resolution to the frozen political question is not realistic. So we should not hope that there will be some solution to the Kashmir issue, है ना, because there are so many possibilities are there, है ना, and considering these possibilities, we cannot say that these question of Kashmir will be solved in this meeting. It will be unrealistic. Discontinuing the special status of Kashmir was a core agenda. Core agenda means it was a main agenda of Hindutva nationalism for decades. Decade means time period of 10 years. So you can say that the people who support Hindutva nationalism, were continuously working to abolish the special status of Jammu and Kashmir, and their agenda was achieved after the second parliamentary victory of Mr. Modi in 2019. And when Mr. Modi came in power in 2019, and at that time this agenda was achieved. It means the special status of Jammu and Kashmir was abolished completely. There has been a concerted campaign. Campaign means a planned set of activities like election campaign. Concerted means when you do something jointly, united. There has been a concerted campaign to undermine. When you undermine something means you try to reduce the importance of something. Okay, that is undermine. Political parties. So what editorial says that there has been a concerted campaign to undermine political parties and leaders of the valley by the BJP and the center. So you can say that after August 2019, we have seen in Kashmir that the central government and the BJP is continuously trying to reduce the importance of political parties and leaders of the Kashmir valley. Since 2014, the BJP has worked under a premise. Premise means base. And what is your base of working? That the PDP and NC were impediment. Impediment means obstacle, hindrance. If something prevents you, you call it impediment. So since 2014, the BJP has worked under a premise. So BJP has been working on the basis that PDP and NC, PDP party and NC party. So they are, BJP is continuously trying to show that these parties are impediments in Kashmir solution, to a solution in Kashmir, not facilitator. If someone is facilitator, it provides facility, it makes that process easy. So the BJP has continuously been demonstrating that PDP and NC, instead of trying to solve the Kashmir issue, they are, you can say that they are creating hurdles, they are creating obstacles. The BJP's short-lived alliance with PDP, short-lived means for a, you can say that temporary, alliance means, you can say that alliance means association, coalition. So for, you can say that for short period, BJP, you can say that BJP associated with PDP. Far from building bridges. When you build bridge means you try to fill the gap. So BJP didn't try, so you can say that BJP associated with PDP है ना, and BJP and PDP, the both parties formed alliance, both parties formed coalition. And you know, when you make coalition, when you make alliance, then you try to fill some gaps, but instead of trying to, fill the gap, what did this alliance do? Created more hostility, means enmity between the parties. And so this alliance of BJP and PDP created enmity between the parties of Jammu and Kashmir and delegitimized both in the eyes of the public. And you can say that the public saw the people of, or you can say that the public of Jammu and Kashmir saw these two parties, BJP and PDP, in a, you can say that the public of Jammu and Kashmir considered these parties delegitimized. If something is delegitimized means something is illegal. The leaders of mainstream parties, including former chief ministers, were jailed after 2019. Here, mainstream parties means the parties which play an important role in the politics of Jammu and Kashmir. So, the leaders of mainstream parties and former chief ministers were jailed after 2019. So, at the time when the special status of Jammu and Kashmir was removed, many leaders from the mainstream parties of Jammu and Kashmir and many former chief ministers of Jammu and Kashmir were jailed. The center's idea to incubate means, what is the meaning of incubate means? A cause to develop something slowly. The center's idea to incubate a loyal political class made little progress. So after August 2019, the central government decided to build a loyal political class in Jammu and Kashmir. But you can say that the center's idea to incubate a loyal political class, you can say that didn't make success, made little progress. When you say that little progress, a little means positive. When you say little means a negative term. You can say that this plan of central government got failed. The political environment has changed. Now, editorial says that if we talk about current situation, then the complete political scenario has changed in Jammu and Kashmir, in India, as well as across the world. Meanwhile means during this time period, the Joe Biden administration is eager to end the US entanglement in Afghanistan. So, Mr. Joe Biden's administration is eager. Eager means when you are excited to do something, then you are eager to end the US entanglement. Entangle means participation in Afghanistan. So at present America wants to remove its troops from Afghanistan. Okay, so Mr. Joe Biden is worried that Mr. Joe Biden wants to remove his troops from Afghanistan, and at the same time Mr. Joe Biden wants to oppose China's attempts to dominate the world. In the present scenario, we see that China is trying to dominate the world, and Mr. Joe Biden or America wants to resist this attempt of China's. India is in a standoff with China on the border. When you are in a standoff, when you are in a standoff with something, then you are in a deadlock position, है ना? Deadlock, or you can say that stalemate, है ना? When you are in a standoff position, then either neither you can move forward or nor you can move backward, है ना? You are stuck in between. So India is in a standoff with China on the border. So at the India-China border, the situation is, you can say that, very tense. The Biden administration is publicly disapproving. When you disapprove something, है ना, you show that you are disagree. The Biden administration is publicly disapproving of India's Kashmir policy. Okay, so at international level, Mr. Joe Biden says that we are not satisfied with the India's policy towards Kashmir, while wanting to strategically embrace it, है ना? You know, and while wanting means you desire something. Strategically means it is beneficial for you, for your planning. Embrace means to adopt. So editorial says that it is the policy of India towards Kashmir is strategically proving beneficial for America, but at the same time America says publicly that we are against the policy of India towards Kashmir. Pakistan is trying to reclaim its strategic advantage, है ना? In this political scenario, we see that Pakistan is also trying to improve itself, है ना? Pakistan is also trying to, you can say that, to become a powerful nation. The mishandling means when you do not handle something properly, है ना? The mishandling of the COVID-19 pandemic means a widespread disease has dented means dent means to harm something, India's global image. So the present central government couldn't manage the coronavirus properly, and when it couldn't manage the coronavirus properly, it harmed the global image of India. And triggered means to initiate something, है ना? To begin something, new political challenges domestically, है ना? Domestically means in your home. So editorial says that this coronavirus started some new political challenges before the Modi government. All these make rigidity less rewarding in India's Kashmir policy. So all these situations, all these make rigidity less rewarding in India's Kashmir policy. Rigidity means strictness, है ना? Strictness, है ना? When something is rewarding means something is in your favor, and if something is less rewarding means something is not in your favor. So editorial says that instead of all these challenges, despite of all these challenges, if India still have a strict approach towards Kashmir, then it will not prove beneficial for the central government. All the same, by creating an opportunity to explore a way forward. Explore means you want to discover something, है ना? You want to try some new ideas. A way forward, है ना? A way forward means you want to look forward by creating an opportunity. So at present, when Mr. Modi announced that he wants to have a meeting with Jammu and Kashmir's leaders, so you can say that it explores an opportunity. The center has acted wisely. Editorial says that this act of central government is wise, regardless of its reason, whatever may be the reasons of this meeting, but the central government's engagement with Kashmiri leaders is, you can say that, is an act of you can say that prudence. It must engage the political parties in good faith. In good faith means, you can say that, in sincerity, you know, with honesty. Must engage. Engage means to involve. If the central government is planning to involve with the leaders of Kashmir, then it should do with honesty and with an open mind. You should not be narrow-minded. Kashmir's governance challenges are not managerial. Editorial says that there are so many challenges है ना regarding to Kashmir है ना, and these challenges cannot be managed easily. And corruption investigations legitimate, if something is legitimate na, it is legal as they may be, must not be used to debase means to reduce politics itself. So editorial says that the central government should not use the central agencies against some leaders of the Jammu Kashmir है ना, like if central government can open corruption charges against some leaders है ना, and these charges may be legal, but still the government should not do that है ना, to debase politics itself. Efforts to tackle corruption and pilferage should not amount to furthering instability in Jammu and Kashmir है ना. To tackle means to handle something है ना, corruption and pilferage. Pilferage means you can say that stealing. Pilferage means an act of stealing. Should not amount to means equal to, further means to increase something, instability in Jammu and Kashmir. Editorial says that okay, if the central government wants to handle corruption है ना, to handle corruption charges है ना, okay, it should handle, but the handling of corruption charges by the central government should not be equal to increasing the instability in Jammu and Kashmir है ना. You should do your activity in such a way that the instability in Jammu and Kashmir should not increase. The center appears to have done some groundwork. When you have done some groundwork, it means you have put the foundation. So the center appears to have done some groundwork, though however it has not revealed. When you reveal something means you show it to everyone, you expose something है ना, that is reveal. Any plans yet? So editorial said that okay, the central government is trying to engage with the Kashmiri leaders, and with this announcement the central government has done some groundwork, but still the central government has not revealed any plans of its. The meeting must be a beginning towards a durable means something that can last long, and democratic resolution of the Kashmir question, and not an exercise in managing the center summit. So editorial says that the meeting which is going to be conducted on 24 June must be a beginning towards a durable and democratic resolution, means a solution of a problem of the Kashmir question. So editorial says this meeting should be focused on the Kashmir question. The agenda of this meeting should be to solve the issue of Kashmir, and this meeting should not be an exercise in managing the center's image. It is possible that the central government is organizing this meeting to improve its image at domestic level as well as international level. So editorial warns that this meeting should not be for improvement of the center's image. This meeting should be for the solution of Kashmir issue.